We want to decrypt the answer to this riddle from the cryptoclub.org JokeBoard. Why is the figure 9 like a peacock? It was encrypted with an Affine cipher. Now there are two ways to approach decrypting an Affine cipher. First, we could build the Affine cipher table with the given multiplicative and additive keys, and then use that table to decrypt. Or we could directly decrypt each letter by reversing the steps to encrypt a message with an Affine cipher. In this video, we demonstrate the use of the second method. We see the answer to the riddle was encrypted using the Affine cipher with a multiplicative key 9 and an additive key 10. Let's see what that means. To encrypt, first multiply by the multiplicative key 9, then add 10. So to decrypt, we first subtract 10 and then multiply by the multiplicative inverse of 9, which is 3. Let's do the decrypting using the Affine Decrypting tool at cryptoclub.org. But these steps can be completed by hand if you wish. To get started, we enter the message into the message box. Then we remember that the multiplicative key is 9 and the additive key is 10 for this message. Now we're ready to decrypt. The tool requests that we type the inverse of 9 into this box. So remembering that the inverse of 9 is 3, we type a 3. The first ciphertext letter to decrypt is the T. And first we must change that to a number. So T is 19. Next, we need to calculate the number. We have just one step to do it, but we can use some paper. First, we subtract 10 from 19 to get 9. Then we multiply 9 by 3 to get 27. Our calculated number is 27. We reduce mod 26 by subtracting 26. 27 minus 26 is 1. And the plain text letter is a B. The next ciphertext letter is U, which is 20. Now I subtract 10 to get 10, and then I multiply 10 by 3 to get 30. So the calculated number is 30. And I can reduce 30 by subtracting 26 to get 4. The plain text letter is an E. The next letter is C, which has the number 2. Now this time when I subtract 10, I'm going to get a negative number. 2 minus 10 is negative 8. We can still multiply a negative number by 3. Negative 8 times 3 is equal to negative 24. So our calculated number is negative 24. Now, to reduce a negative number, I add 26. So 26 minus 24 is 2. And the letter is C. It's pretty interesting that C decrypts to C, but I'm not going to get distracted by this now. I am going to notice, however, that although I could continue with my calculations, I might well guess that the first letter in the answer to this riddle is because. Because is a logical first letter in the answer to a why question. And I don't even have to type in all of the letters because the computer is now offering to decrypt the message for me. When I click on decrypt, the answer appears. So, why is the figure 9 like a peacock? Because without a tail, it is nothing. Very good. Watch the next video if you like to see how we can decrypt using an affine cipher table.